Why we love artificial intelligence in detail.
Number 1. Artificial intelligence (AI) has been a topic of fascination and intrigue for several decades, and in recent years, it has become a driving force of innovation and transformation across various industries. Here are some reasons why we love artificial intelligence.
Number 2. Efficiency. AI systems are capable of performing complex tasks with exceptional speed and accuracy. This makes them an ideal solution for repetitive and mundane tasks that would typically require significant time and resources when performed by humans. For example, AI can be used to automate customer service inquiries, analyze large datasets, and monitor industrial processes. Number 3. Personalization. AI systems can be programmed to recognize individual preferences and behaviors, enabling them to deliver personalized experiences to users. This could include recommending products or services based on previous purchases, tailoring news feeds to specific interests, or suggesting exercise routines based on fitness goals. Number 4. Innovation. AI has the potential to transform the way we approach complex challenges, such as disease diagnosis, climate change, and poverty reduction. By harnessing the power of machine learning and data analytics, AI can identify patterns and insights that humans may not be able to detect on their own, leading to more effective and efficient solutions. Number 5. Accessibility. AI has the potential to make technology more accessible to individuals with disabilities, including those with visual, auditory, or mobility impairments. For example, AI-powered speech recognition software can enable individuals who are unable to type to communicate more easily.
Number 6. Safety. AI can be used to enhance safety in various industries, including transportation, healthcare, and manufacturing. For example, self-driving cars could reduce the number of accidents caused by human error, while AI-powered medical imaging systems could help doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately.
Number 7. Entertainment. AI-powered technologies, such as virtual reality and chatbots, have the potential to create immersive and engaging experiences for users. For example, AI-powered chatbots can provide users with personalized recommendations for movies, music, or books based on their preferences. In conclusion, AI has the potential to transform the way we live and work in countless ways. From increasing ethics